So this one is the Macbook Air M4 2025. So it's running Sequoia, the latest one, 15.7.4. So if you want to use the read and write NTFS drive, so I use the iBoysoft. So we go to the website, and then you can download this one. NTFS for Apple Silicon Mac, which is the M4, we have to download the driver for Apple Silicon Mac, not for the Intel. So after we download it, and then we're going to open it, install. And then we need to go and get the code. Okay. So now we're going to install the NTFS driver. And then we're going to open the system preference, enable system extension. Okay, we're going to shut down. Okay, to boot into the recovery mode, we hold this button, power button, until it's reboot. So when it's shut down already, we just release it a little bit and then press it right away to turn it on. It will go into the startup recovery mode. Release it. Continue holding for startup option. Loading startup option. Okay. So now you see the option here. And then we're going to continue. So now we're at recovery. And we're going to log in. So we go to utility. And we go to startup utility. And then we're going to go to security policy. And then we're going to check reduce security, allow user management of kernel extension from identified developer, which is the iBoysoft. Okay? And click OK. And now we can restart. So after reboot, we still have to go back into the system extension to enable iBoysoft developer for the system to accept. And then we're going to have to reboot. And after that, we can use it. Okay, so after we enable the startup security utility from the recovery, then we check reduce security and allow user management of kernel extension of an identified developer. And then after we reboot, and then we go to the extension, and we can enable the driver of the iBoysoft, and then we reboot. And now, after mounted, we can read and write very nicely. Okay. If you don't do the startup security utility steps, you will have error.